students, this is chapter 1 lesson 7 and we are going to study about the decimals. And when you write the decimals here, units, we are starting from units, but it might be in decimals also. You can see tens and hundreds also. Only the difference here, we are using the point number, which means here if there is a units also 1 over tens, 1 over hundreds and 1 over thousands in decimal form. And here when you want to mention 2 here as a normal number or fraction, it should be 2 over 10, which means here also it's shown 3 plus 2 over 10, 3 plus this number changes with 2, I mean 2 is written here, 2 over 10 or 7 over 100, it should be plus 7 over 100. What about the down number? This is 0, so you're not doing anything. For the 0 also you're not doing anything. And this is 3 over 100 and 8 over 1000. It should be as you've seen here. A decimal fraction is a fraction between 0 and 1. This part is important. And in which the denominator is a power of 10 and the denominator is an integer. So these are all examples of decimal fractions, but 1 over 20 is not decimal fraction. The reason for that one, denominator is not power of 10. The second one here, 11 over 10 is not decimal fraction because the power is greater than 10. I mean, the numerator is greater than 10, and the value of the value of this fraction, it should be less than 1, and it is greater than 1 here, 11 over 10. And one more example I'm going to give to understand better this writing method. And if I say 0.25 here, this should be like 4 plus. This 0 is not written, but 0 over 10 it should be plus 0 over, not 0, this time 2 over 100 plus 5 over 1000 it should be. And 0 over 100, we know that's equal to 0. And if I ask this kind of questions, you shouldn't write this one. Only I try to explain logic. 4 plus 2 over 10 and 5 over 1000 is 4. 2 over 100 and 5 over 1000 is the correct answer. It should be. Okay, the next one. Make a similar table, it says, but I'm going to show only the fraction part of the tables. So when you are writing these numbers, this should be equal to 6 plus 0 over 10, there is no need to write. So 2 over 100 it should be plus 3 over 1000 it has to be. This is 5 plus 9 here, it should be 9 over 10 plus 4 over 100 it has to be. Write these fractions as decimals. There are different ways to write these but firstly I need to explain this one here. This can be written like 4 and 5 over 10. 4 and 5 over 10. And you know 5 over 10 from this information and from the tables, this can be written as 4 and 0.5, if you remember. And if it is 4 and 0.5, which means this is equal to 4.5, it has to be. You can apply this one to others also. This is 6 plus 3 over 10, which is equal to 0.3. And 6.3 it has to be. And here there is another way. This is 17.8 it has to be with respect to previous questions we are talking. And I have started to my sentence for 4 and 5 over 10 can be written as improper fraction from the fractions topic, you know, I mean in the previous lesson we learned. 4 times 10 it's equal to 40 plus 5 over 10 it should be 45 over 10. And when you divide the number with 10, you know how to change to decimal number. This is the answer, 4.5, which you already found here. Okay, evaluate the following without using a calculator. In exam, we are not going to use calculator. That's why this is going to be same for all of us. I mean, for all the questions, we are not going to use calculator. That's why I want to continue firstly with 2.7 and 0.35 and 16.9. 09, I'm sorry. Here, when we are adding, it's always better to write here as classical addition downward, then put the decimal places on the same row, the same column. Sorry. On the same column, when you put here like this, you should write the answer here with decimal place. Then you have to do downward addition. Here it is accepted in general 0. 0 plus 5, 0 plus 9 is equal to, it should be 14. You are writing the 4 of 14 and you are adding the 1 here. When you add the 1 here, 1 plus 7 plus 3, it is equal to 11. 11, 1 you are writing and you are giving the 1 here. So 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 3 plus 6, 9. And here this is going to be 1. So the answer, correct answer, 19.14 it should be. And the second one, if we are subtracting, I'm going to do this one. 16.9 minus 16.9 minus 5.74. As you see, in subtraction also I write downward, but in subtraction, if the first number has no 0, you have to add always 0. You have to add 0 here. This is very important. You need to know that one. Okay, this 0 is added. Then we are going to subtract from 0 from actually 4 from 0. Then it's going to be equal to here 6, because you should get 1 from here. This should be 8 now, and from 10 you are subtracting 4. The result, it should be 6. And this is now 8. 8 minus 7, it's equal to 1. And 6 minus 5, it's equal to 1. And there's nothing here. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So the answer is 11.16. It has to be.